Hello and welcome to Make Money Territory. Today, we dive into a stellar topic, pun intended, as we discuss the Stellar cryptocurrency. So what is Stellar? It's a digital currency, also known as XLM, that's making waves in the crypto world. As of this moment, Stellar is trading at around 11 cents, showing a near 1% gain since the European session. This might seem like small change, but don't be fooled. The potential for upward movement is strong, with resistance levels at 15, 16, and 17 cents, and support levels at 7.5, 6.5, and 5.5 cents. This means that even though Stellar is currently trading at 11 cents, it has the potential to rise and break through these resistance levels. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive deeper into what the technical analysis tells us. To understand the predictions for Stellar's price, it's crucial to grasp a few key terms used in technical analysis. Let's start off with resistance levels. Resistance levels are specific price points that a cryptocurrency like Stellar has trouble surpassing. Think of it as a ceiling that the price can't seem to break through. If the price does manage to break through a resistance level, it's often a bullish or positive sign. Next, we have support levels. These are the opposite of resistance levels. They're the floor that the price doesn't seem to fall below. When the price rebounds off a support level, it indicates that there's a lot of demand for the cryptocurrency at that price point. If the price breaks through a support level, however, it could signal a bearish or negative trend. Lastly, we have the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, with a reading above 70 typically considered overbought, and a reading below 30 seen as oversold. When it comes to Stellar or any other cryptocurrency, an overbought RSI could indicate a potential price drop, while an oversold RSI might suggest a price rise. Together, resistance levels, support levels, and the RSI can provide a comprehensive picture of potential price movements. They help traders to identify opportune moments to buy or sell, based on historical price data and market sentiment. Armed with this knowledge, we can now delve into Stellar's technical analysis. The technical analysis of Stellar paints an interesting picture for potential investors. Let's delve into the specifics to uncover what the data suggests. One of the key aspects to note is that Stellar is currently moving above the 9-day moving average against Bitcoin. Now, for those new to the world of technical analysis, moving above this average often suggests a bullish trend. It's a sign that the buyers are currently in control of the market, and it can often lead to an upward price movement. Next, let's talk about potential resistance. The data points to a potential resistance level at 215 SAT. Resistance levels are like invisible barriers that prevent the price from moving upwards. Once the price reaches this level, we might see a lot of sellers jumping in to take profits, which could pause the upward trend. But if the buyers are strong enough to break this resistance, it could potentially lead to a further uptrend. Now here comes the part that gets many investors excited: the nearing completion of the cup and handle pattern for Stellar. This pattern is a bullish signal that often precedes a significant breakout. The cup represents a period of consolidation where the price moves in a U-shape. This is followed by the handle, a smaller period of consolidation. Once the price breaks above the handle, it often signals a strong upward movement. In Stellar's case, the nearing completion of this pattern could be an indication that a breakout is on the horizon. This technical analysis suggests a bullish outlook for Stellar. But there's more to consider. Recent developments can significantly impact a cryptocurrency's price. Let's take a look at what's happening with Stellar. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, Stellar has been making some noteworthy strides. One of the most exciting pieces of news is the Dogeverse pre-sale phase. This might sound like an out-of-this-world concept, and in many ways, it is. The Dogeverse pre-sale phase is a unique event that has successfully gathered over $8.3 million. This is no small feat, and it certainly has implications for Stellar. So, you might be wondering, how does this offer growth potential for Stellar? Well, it's quite simple. The success of the Dogeverse pre-sale phase indicates a strong interest in the projects associated with Stellar. It brings in substantial funds, which can be used to further develop and expand Stellar's ecosystem. This, in turn, could increase the demand for Stellar's native token, XLM, potentially driving its price up. Moreover, this development is a clear testimony to the confidence and trust that investors have in Stellar. The significant funds raised during the pre-sale phase demonstrate that people are willing to put their money behind Stellar and its associated projects. This kind of backing is invaluable in the competitive world of cryptocurrencies, where trust and credibility can significantly influence a cryptocurrency's success. Clearly, Stellar is making waves in the crypto world, but what does this mean for potential investors? We've covered quite a bit today, so let's summarize the main points. We delved deep into the technical analysis of Stellar, which indicates a potential upward movement. The key resistance levels to keep an eye on are 15 cents, 16 cents, and 17 cents, while the support levels are situated at 7.5 cents, 6.5 cents, and 5.5 cents. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, suggests a bullish outlook, hinting at the possibility of Stellar's price increasing in the future. Furthermore, the cup and handle pattern, a classic technical analysis tool, is nearing completion for Stellar, signaling a potential breakout. This could be a game changer for investors keeping tabs on this cryptocurrency. We also revisited recent developments such as the Dogverse pre-sale, which has already gathered over $8.3 million. This event could significantly impact Stellar's market dynamics, potentially offering an additional growth catalyst. With all this in mind, it's clear that Stellar offers intriguing possibilities for savvy investors. Its current trajectory and recent developments make it a cryptocurrency worth watching. Thanks for joining us today in Make Money territory. Until next time, keep exploring and keep investing.